What is up, my YouTube family? We are back in the ramen house with a brand new video. Okay, so I'm going to get right into this. So not only is this video going to show you how to grow your YouTube channel, but also how I ranked on page 1 for a search term with only 30 views. Don't worry about copying all this down. I actually wrote this out. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below so you can have this document for you completely free. Okay, so you don't have to worry about pausing the video and keep going back to it. Okay, promise you. All right, and stick through to this entire video because I'm going to have a really big bonus tip for you on how to really structure how to upload a video and get it up there. Okay, so obviously, first of all, I want to go to YouTube to show you how my video came up and that it actually is up, right? So how to start affiliate marketing with Click. Okay. So obviously you can see right here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, notice I'm number 6 on the first page with 30 views. Okay, 30 views. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did in the 4 tips. Okay, 4 tips I have for you to do the same exact thing. First, we're going to talk about long tail keywords. So stick through this. Some of this stuff you may have heard in that bonus tip. You probably have never heard of that. So we're going to want to utilize that. Okay. So long tail keywords. What are long tail keywords? Notice this. Okay. How to start affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels. Okay. So if it was just a regular short tail keyword, let's say it would be perhaps this. How to start affiliate marketing. So I knew that if I was to, try to rank for this, I would get completely destroyed, okay, by people who just have way more views, way more subscribers, way more people engaging on their content. Okay, I would get completely destroyed. So that's why by adding with ClickFunnels, I've made it even more niched down, but it's an area that's still getting traffic. So that's how you can sort of grow your channel too. So kind of target things with longer tail keywords that still get traffic. And we're going to talk about that later as well, okay? So obviously that's going to be tip number 1, long tail keywords, okay? Now tip number 2 is going to be the description, okay? Let me show you. So if I was to upload a video, let's see, upload video. I'm going to show you, okay? So if I was to upload a video, right, select a file, I'm just going to pick whatever I got. Okay, let's just use this. Okay, so it's uploading, I want to show you something. Okay, look, so you get 100 characters in your title, and look at this. 5,000 characters in your description, okay? So first question should be, are you utilizing this, and how much of it are you actually utilizing? So not only do put your long tail keywords and title in the title, obviously, but also use the same thing in your description a little bit differently. And tip number 3 on the long tail keyword is also say it physically in your video. Your exact title, okay, use that in your video as well, okay? So title, description, and in the video. Number 3 is going to be thumbnails. Okay, so take it from me. Your thumbnail can be as clickbaity as you want it to look, okay? Wait, before you exit out, okay? Hear me out, okay? It can be as clickbaity as you want it to be, but you make sure that you better deliver in that video, okay? You better deliver whatever is written on your thumbnail onto your video, all right? You do not want to, create a title that has nothing to do with your video. Okay, so we got long tail keywords, the description, and the thumbnails. Okay, so now we're going to go into the bonus tip. All right, this bonus tip is in regard to your description. So I'm going to just go on Google, right? So I'm just going to type in how to start affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels. That's the example we've been using this whole time. Okay, so I want to show you something really, really quick. All right, so notice this at the bottom of Google. Searches related to how to start affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels. Okay, notice, guys, this is stuff that's physically being typed in on Google. This information is free. Okay, now all you can literally do is copy these little terms into your description because you have 5,000 characters and physically answer that question inside your description. That is a really, really, really big bonus tip. And bonus tip number 2, right? This section right here. People also ask. You can literally also copy and paste these questions and put them in your description and answer them. Okay, I will give you a disclaimer on this though. Make sure the questions that you are copying, though, are either addressed in your video or related to that particular video piece of content. Okay, don't just copy and paste whatever and then try to answer that question. Okay, we do not do that. Okay, that is not condoned by me. All right, so that's your bonus tip. Now, tip number 4 is obviously what I use. Okay, you can utilize TubeBuddy. Okay, TubeBuddy is basically like a Chrome extension, and it's on YouTube that kind of helps you, find what keywords that you can use, and just a ton of things with it. If you haven't checked out TubeBuddy, go check that out too. The link will be in the description somewhere for that too. And really utilize that. You don't have to, obviously, if you don't want to, but it's there as a resource. Okay, so those are the 4 tips on how I got to the first page. Go ahead, go use them. Use that bonus tip, and if you like that bonus tip or this entire video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below if this helped you out.